Hello, and thanks for watching. My name is Yaman Mutart, and this is part 2 of a tutorial for creating Windows-based virtual machines using Oracle's VirtualBox software. In this video, download Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation ISO from Microsoft. We will create a virtual machine appliance in Oracle VirtualBox and mount the downloaded image to a virtual DVD drive. We will install Windows 11. You can find a link to the software in the video's description. Download Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation ISO from Microsoft. The download page requires some information. Fill out the form and click Next to proceed to the next page. From the table, there are a variety of choices of windows in different languages and regions. I will be taking the first selection. The download dialog appears. This allows us to select where to save the ISO image, and once that is confirmed, the download begins. Create a virtual machine appliance in Oracle VirtualBox and mount the ISO image to the DVD drive. Start by opening Oracle VirtualBox. In the top menu, navigate to Machine and select New. A settings window will pop up. Make sure it is the extended expert mode as shown, and not the short form. The VM appliance requires a name to be identified in a friendly way. The hardware section allows for the setting of RAM and processors. This can be adjusted later and can be handy if a load is being taken by a VM. Staying inside the green range is safe. The recommended hard drive settings are fine for the use case of this machine. 80 GB may not be enough depending on what you plan to do with your VM. Attaching the ISO image for Windows 11 is the last part of the hardware config. It is as simple as navigating to the downloaded image file and selecting it. I did receive a warning that I had to change the computer's net name as it did not work with the config. Once that was fixed, the machine was valid, and it was created by clicking Finish. Installing Windows 11 ISO. Starting the VM will cause it to boot from the DVD image. The VM boots up, and it goes into the Windows installer. Now it's the typical language and region information. Take note at how to create a user in a moment when that comes up. We do not want to use a Microsoft account to log into this VM. We will select Domain Join instead. Now, we have to give a name and a password. To see the password, click here. Now we have to verify the password. And Windows is going to ask us to answer a bunch of questions for security. Finally, Windows will do its wrap-up, and the clean install should be completed. There is a clean install of Windows 11. Waiting for many updates. That concludes part 2. We acquired Windows 11 Enterprise Evaluation Edition ISO image. We created a virtual machine appliance in Oracle VirtualBox to install Windows on. We installed Windows 11.